I didn't know my dad.
Steve, what is that you're doing, you disgusting little boy? Come here to me.
So, my name is Stefhen Bryan, aka Doodu Boy, Black Passenger. I am the author of the book Black Passenger Yellow Cabs, a memoir of exile and excess in Japan, and the solo play Doodu Boy.
Because there's poop all over my hands, all the way up my arms.
Basically what happened was Deborah Earhart, who is a soloist, also a solo actress, read my book Black Passenger Yellow Cabs and came to me with the idea of writing a solo play based on it. I thought she was crazy, but I eventually wrote the play, and we started, we opened in Los Angeles in January of this year, did a couple of runs off Broadway at the Soho Playhouse, March, June, July. Made my debut in San Francisco, September 10th at the Marsh Theater, and now I'm back in New York on Broadway, performing in the United Solo Festival this Saturday, November 8th at 4 p.m. After this, I go back to California, the Berkeley Black Preparatory Theater. I'm going to do 4 shows there in November 21st, 22nd, 23rd, and then back to Japan on December 10th. So, yeah, that's what Doodu Boy is about. So come on, make sure you bring your G's and your data and your pints out. See you?
Thank you.